in this problem, we are asked to identify the system of inequalities that is graphed here. And so what I'm actually going to do is just work on writing out the system. So I'm going to start with the red one. Now notice that the red one is shaded above the line, and it's a dotted line. So that means that I'm going to be using y is greater than and not put the equal to marker here. And then I just need to find my slope and my y-intercept. So my y-intercept on this graph is at a positive 3. So I'm going to put a plus 3 in our slope-intercept formula. For those of you guys that need it, this is the slope-intercept formula, where b is the y-intercept and m is our slope. So then on the red one, I'm going to find another point on the line that goes through a crosshair, and I'm going to use this to help me to count my slope. Now I can tell that it's going to be a negative slope because this graph is going downhill on the red line. So I'm going to put that negative right in front. And so then I'm going to count how much I fall. So I fall by 1 and I run by 2. So my slope is a negative 1/2. Alrighty, so now looking at our next one, I'm going to do it with the blue equation as well, our blue inequality. Now this one is shaded below the line, so I know that y is less than this amount. And it's a solid line, so I'm going to say y is less than or equal to. And then identify my slope and y-intercept. Now this one graphs with a y-intercept right here, which is at negative 1. So I'm going to put a minus 1 after the x. And for my slope, there's my other point. So it's a positive slope because this line is going uphill. And I see that I rise by 2 and I run by 1. So that is a slope of 2 over 1, which is the same thing as 2. So that means that this first set of inequalities would be our system.